Hi there. Thought I'd give you a little update on the car we adopted a couple of weeks ago. This is the car a few weeks ago that we saved from the scrapyard. It was in bad condition, really super dirty, and needed some mechanical work, but yet the battery and motor were still in good condition. So let's see how things are going now a couple of weeks later. It's a cold winter evening, and we'll just take it out on a highway drive here and do some errands and see how it's doing and see how it's performing, and is it living up to the expectation that it's going to turn into a reliable city runabout or a quick runabout car. So join me and let's see how it goes. But first, let's check to see where we're at. Okay, so we're only at 80% battery charge. I guess we'd used it earlier in the day, but that's fine. We're at 119,250 in the kilometers as well. So let's see how we'll do. We're not going to fully run the battery down, but the temperature is a little bit chilly tonight. It's minus 20 Celsius or about minus 4 Fahrenheit. So a little on the chilly side. And I got the temperature set to 21 or around 72 Fahrenheit. And then we've got the heated seats on as well and my heated steering wheel. So let's head out and see how this little Nissan Leaf will do in the cold weather. Okay, we've gone 18 kilometers so far. Temperature is still around minus 25. This is highway kilometers, and you can see here we've used up about 30% according to the dashboard display. So let's see, 30% is 18 kilometers. So if you do that math, that estimates about 60 kilometers of total range for a full battery. And right now at 50%, it's saying we have 45 kilometers. So it says the car's estimating we have 90 kilometers at range. So as always, that guessometer, that 45 kilometers, where the car is taking a guess at how far we can go, it's very optimistic as usual. And it's probably off, because the temperature is low, being that it is around this minus 25 range, and that we were driving on the highway at 100 kilometers an hour, 60 miles an hour, so that throws it off as well, whether it's really intended for city use. But anyway, that's what the numbers turn out as for now, and we'll just do our errands, and then we'll return back and see how things work out. All right, let's take a look at our final numbers here. It looks like we went 38 kilometers. And let's see, the temperature currently minus 27. And we used from 80% to 12% of the battery. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that the 12% estimate here is pessimistic. It's probably more like 25% if we hooked up Leaf I, which is our scanning software, to get directly into the computer in the car. But in any case, we'll just use these numbers for now. I don't have Leaf I handy with me right now. So we're at 288, we were at 250, so we've gone 38 kilometers, and we use 68%. So let's do some quick math on that. So quick math says it's an estimate of about 63 kilometers on a full charge, which is fairly consistent with what I get with these cars. I did do an experiment on this channel last winter, and I did a similar thing. I had the car out in these temperatures, and we had 53 kilometers, I think is the number. And I ran it from full to empty. In this case, we just did a partial charge, but we can still extrapolate the number. So that's how a 10-year-old almost gone to the scrapyard Leaf will fare. So I think it's interesting to note that when this car was brand new, there was a lot of concern about battery health. And if you think back to 2015 and 2014, you think of those days, those are the really early days of the modern EVs. And, at that time, I was being told that by some people who are guessing how long batteries will last, they were telling me, you'll need to replace your batteries every 2 years. They will not be usable, and you'll have to spend $10,000 or $15,000 or $20,000 every couple of years to replace the batteries. So I would be a fool for purchasing an electric vehicle. And now here we are 10 years later. We've got this car that was almost ready for the scrapyard because it's in such poor condition, but the expensive and important components are still in good condition. That's the battery and the motor. Those needed no repair and no maintenance on them in order to get this car up and running. In my prior video, you may recall that what was needed is some suspension and steering work, and that could be on any car depending on how it's been treated and the conditions that it was running in. This car has been in Canada its whole life, so it's been treated to a lot of salty and sandy roads, icy roads, very cold temperatures, like the ones we've demonstrated today. So I really, found these particular cars, even though they don't have a lot of range, they didn't start out with a lot of range. Even 10 years on, the battery is still in pretty good condition. And on the dashboard, we could even see that it was still 11 out of 12 battery health bars. And when I've hooked up Leaf I to this car in a previous video, it was at 83% health level. So the battery is in good condition still. The car is still very usable. And demonstrating tonight on the highway at high speed in very cold temperatures, it's still able to do what it needs to get me from A to B. And I've chosen specifically these conditions because it's the worst case scenario. Electric cars lose range in cold, and they lose range on the highway. So if you are a person who lives in the city and you're living in a warm place, then your range is probably going to be at least double what I'm getting on this right now. And that's quite usable, quite valuable. So now 10 years on, these cars are getting quite inexpensive, and in the used market, I would propose that they're a good value to consider purchasing. So that's the point of this video here, and just wanted to share those thoughts with you and to let you know how these cars are performing. Again, this car is on its original battery. This is not some replacement battery that's a year old. So it's in really good shape for its age and the abuse it's been put through over the years. So thanks again to my wife, as always, for holding the camera when we're on the road, taking the action shots. But I thought it was interesting as the weather is a bit on the chilly side today, and we've got this new to us vehicle where we're trying to figure out its capabilities. And it's a 2015 Nissan Leaf S with a 24 kilowatt hour battery. And in a previous video, we were saving it from the scrapyard. It was in pretty bad shape, and we just had to do some suspension work on it, and steering, and the battery and the motor were in good condition. So it's now become a runabout car for us. And this is one of these tests we like to do when it gets chilly outside, just to see how far it's going to go. And with the battery condition that it's in, you might have noticed on the dash we have 11 out of 12 battery health bars still. So that is quite good for a 10-year-old car. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or consider subscribing to future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.